Okay, we are on our way to the Castle Hill. And it's a hot day. We have been waiting for a more cloudy day to hike up there, so it won't get so hot. But we are leaving tomorrow, so today is our last chance. And it seems that it's steep uphill all the way to the top, so let's see how this goes. Steep uphill continues. We have been walking for a half hour on this road. This has turned to be quite a hike. So. And the people here, I have to mention that again. The cars that pass us by here offers us a lift, but we have decided to walk up there. So after all these beers and food here, so we need to exercise. But it's hot. It's hot and it's uphill all the way, so let's keep going. What a country, what a people, so nice, so helpful. Okay. You see that river floating down here. I think it's that the water is flowing from the Blue Eye, since our chauffeur told us that it flows down 25 kilometers from the spring, the Blue Eye Springs. Amazing. I saw a glimpse of the castle up there, so I'm sure we are pretty close. There's starting to be some kind of a ruins. There's a restaurant up there. Maybe we buy something to drink, but I read the reviews about the restaurant and they were horrible, so unfriendly staff and bad food. So just gonna look at the views. But on the way up here there was another restaurant which looks pretty nice and with good prices, and the prices really change when you get off the main central Saranda. Okay. Oh man, it's still a bit of a hike left, but okay. There's a lighthouse. Oh man. Look at those views. Let's see if we can find any of those old bomb shelters which are everywhere in Albania. I saw a lot of those in Tirana when we were there, And oh man, what a view. Oh, that's the ferry. And there's another ferry. Which one goes to Corfu? I believe it is that one. Goes twice a day. From Corfu to Saranda. Okay, let's hike up to the castle. And I see a bomb shelter right now, right away. Up there. All remains of the war. Okay, the first bunker. I kept calling them bomb shelters. Maybe they are, but the locals and everyone else call it the bunkers. Is it the place where the army kept an eye on the surroundings, or it can't be a bomb shelter for a lot of people, so I guess that that's a bunker for the military to hide out. Keep an eye on there. I see another bunker and another one up there. Okay, right at the entrance here. Let's check it out. Oh, cannon. This is military leftovers. Nicely renovated to a restaurant. Here's a nice view. Spectacular view. I don't think you need a drone up here. It's a panorama view over Saranda. That looks nice. And there looks like a really nice beach over there. And we are living somewhere over there in the center of Saranda. Nice views. There are these panorama viewing points. Wow, wow, look at that. Saranda, and we are staying there's the port where the ship from the Corfu stops, and we walked over there is where we live, where we have our beautiful apartment. Let's get the drone up. Okay, that was the castle, and a really nice hike up there, but it was steep uphill, so it was pretty hard, but I'm glad we went because it was a pretty place, nice place with a panoramic view over Saranda and some place next to it. I don't remember what name it is, but really nice. Now it's just downhill for about an hour, so maybe we stop by at the restaurant we saw in the middle up here, so okay. See you later. Okay, nice view. We stopped by this nice looking restaurant on the way down. Step away from the sun a bit, but it's got a gorgeous view over the mountains from here on the balcony and the fields down there. Really nice. It's too early for lunch or dinner, so we just ordered a glass of wine and a beer, so let's see what's coming. I don't know if you can see it, but there's chickens and roosters, and this nice looking restaurant is just surrounded by farmland, farmers, and a whole flock of sheep over there. And we just saw a cow on the way down here, and just stood and watched the cow, and all of a sudden there was a guy sitting on the rock in the bushes, and he raised his hand over just to wave at us. Okay, had a beer and a glass of wine. Really cheap place. 400 lek, which is about, I don't know, 3 euros something for a big glass of wine and a beer. And I saw the menu. You could get the whole breakfast for 4 euros, and I think that we just got one omelette for that price down at the center of Saranda. Oh man, look at the backdrop. Just like a movie scene or something from a Hollywood picture. Just amazing. I can't stop looking at it. Albanian countryside. Chickens, dogs, sheep, and beautiful views. And really nice people.